Hey, how's it going? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-up tutorial on how to make a trivia command. Trivia is built in to mix it up as a game. I'll show you what changes I made with it, as well as talk to you about when you can use it. Now, as far as when you can use it, I think a good time to use it is during ads. So, in your ad started event, you can have the trivia command run every so often so that even though they can't see you or the gameplay, you could have them answer some trivia, something mildly fun to do while they're waiting for the ads to go away. That's how I used to use it. I've stopped using it because I wanted to reduce how much text was in my chat that was not from chatters. I might bring it back, but either way, I will show you how to set it up. I'll show you how to expand on it. And yeah, maybe you'll find it useful. If you find these videos useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up Gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, so first of all, we are on version 1.6.21. And what you have to do is you'll go to the menu in the top left. You'll go to games. I'm going to go through the process of making it by default because my trivia command is slightly different from the default trivia command. You go to new game. You go to the drop down here, go to trivia over here. And okay. Okay, so by default, win. Oh, okay. I was wondering what that was for. The win amount. That's how much they win from answering a question. I just defaulted to 1. 30 is how many seconds they have to answer the question. So yeah, I just go 1. I actually went 45 for this, but you can change it if you want. Use online questions. So I think it has some API that it's using for questions. I don't know which API they're using for questions, but I don't think it works without this. I think you have to put your own questions if you don't use this. But you know what? Why don't we test it? Let's go here, turn off online questions, and let's see what happens if we press the play button and there's no online questions. Okay. So you can't save it if you don't have online questions or a question over here. So if you have no other questions, you have to use online questions. Okay. All right, let's go back to using the default trivia command. Please look at that. Okay, so let's see what it says in the started event. Okay, $sign username has started a game of trivia. Now for me, when I run my command, I'm not going to have this where it says $sign username. Let's start a game of trivia. I'll just start the trivia as far as when ads start. Type the number of the answer to the following question. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then $sign game question for the question and $sign game answers for the potential answers. Okay. Now the way that I do that differently is like this. Okay, so mine is very to the point. It's just in caps, trivia, $sign game question, $sign game answers. Then in big letters, choose 1, 2, 3, or 4. And yeah, that's it. Very to the point, minimize how much space it takes up in chat. That's how I have my chat message set up for the started event in trivia. Okay, user joined. Okay, so this you can just use as a confirmation for people who enter the trivia that hey, we've got your answer for trivia. So just put a chat message, hit the plus sign, and then put $sign user display name has submitted an answer for trivia, something like that. Correct answer. Okay, so for the correct answer, there's a payout. And that payout is whatever you set it at the very beginning. So in the chat message, you have the correct answer was $game correct answer. Everyone who guessed it won $game payout and whatever currency you want to give. Now the currency is not given out by default. It would happen over here in user win. Now the way that I handle that is I made a currency called coins, and so you go to consumables, add it, pick your consumable type, add it to that user who won, which is handled by this event, the user win, and then the amount you want to give them, which is 1, because that's what it says at the in my win amount right here. And then you'll add a chat message, and that chat message will say user display name won a coin, and then just GG PogChamp to let them know that they won. And that's it. That's how you win a coin. That's how you tell them that they won. And then I don't have anything for use or lose, because if you don't say anything, if it's implied that only the users who are announced won. So if you were not announced, then we're not telling you that you won. And why give them currency? Why give them currency if they win? Well, they could brag about like who has the highest score for trivia. So maybe make a currency specifically just for winning trivia. So yeah, it gives us something to compete over. Actually, having said that, I'll probably make a new currency because we haven't done this in a while. But yeah, make them fight over like who has the highest score. So then it becomes actually really engaging because they're competing with each other. Okay. Now there's a couple other things I want to talk to you about. One is where to use the trivia command and how to add more questions to this trivia command. Okay, so first of all, where to use it. So I'm going to go to the menu in the top left, go to events, go to Twitch, go to add started. Yeah, add started. Okay, so I turned it off, but initially the way I had it set up was as soon as that started, run the trivia command. Then I have it wait for, I want to say 50 seconds? No, 46 seconds. Okay, so I wait till a second after the trivia is done, then immediately trigger the next trivia. So another trivia command, wait 46 seconds, and then 56 seconds this time. Why 56? I don't know. I don't know why that's 56. Okay. Well, I guess I waited 10 more seconds for some reason. I don't remember why. But yeah, basically you want to give yourself enough wait time for the previous trivia question to finish. Then you trigger the next trivia command. And yeah, that's how I handle showing trivia during ads. Okay, now lastly, how to expand on the trivia. Let's say you're getting bored with the trivia questions that Mixup is sourcing from. I'll show you an easy way to add more trivia questions to that game. Okay, so let's go back to the trivia command. Okay, now how to come up with the questions. Well, an obvious way, although maybe a way you might not want to do, is go to AI and say, hey, give me 100 questions about this topic. You could do that, but you might worry about like how many of these questions are actually like accurate with their correct answers. So a different place you can go to is a place called Open Trivia. So it's opentdb.com. Okay, they have a lot of categories here. They have they have 3 difficulties. Yeah, you can select true or false or multiple choice or any type. Yeah, I can just keep it to, actually, just keep it a multiple choice. And then the max they let you take is 50 questions. Then pick a category. I suggest picking a category so you can like know which questions are which. Let's say like video games. Okay. Generate API URL. There's your URL. I'm going to copy it, go to a new tab, and paste it in. Okay. So all of this is not going to look like this when you see it yourself. It's probably going to look like just a massive text. To get it to look like this, I'm in Chrome. You can probably do this in Firefox as well. Look up JSON formatter. It looks like JSON viewer for Chrome at this time. January 29th, 2026. It's still active. So you can add this to Chrome and get the JSON to look like this if you want to know what's in here. And then, yeah, what I do is I copy all this. So hold Control, press A to select all. Hold Control, press C to copy all of that. And then what I did was I went to Claude and just said, hey, convert this JSON to a list of questions, the correct answer and incorrect answers. And it's giving them to me one by one. And yeah, then just, if you have the patience for it, just copy each question and you have the correct answer here, then the wrong answers, and then add more questions or save it. And yeah, that's an easy way to get a lot more questions. And it's like a lot, because if you think about it, like how many categories are here? You have, I'm not going to count it. it's a lot of categories. So yeah, you have whatever API that Mixitup is using. And I tested looking at one of Mixitup's questions and comparing it to questions of the same category. I did not find that like a duplicate. So I do think that these questions are different from the API that Mixitup is using. So yeah, so you can have a lot of questions and it'll take you a very long time to run out of them and get bored of them. So yeah, that is how you set up a trivia command. That is how you make it competitive. That's how you keep people busy during ads. And that is how you expand on it a lot. So yeah, if you found it useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you want to talk with me about Twitch, Mixitup, Gaming, Life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. All right, see ya.